I wanted to show you one of the most popular hat patterns that I have right now. And this is called My Little Gray Hat. I love the name because once I knit it in this gray, you just say, where's my little gray hat? And you know which one you're talking about. However, it could be in any color. But in the pattern, I show you how to create this design as it kind of stair steps down and then just circles around the back. So the front, the cables go all the way up, and then it just starts to stair step down. And it is just an absolutely beautiful design. So I just wanted to show you this most popular hat that I've got going at the moment. I hope you like it. The link to it will be below. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.